Hey guys, it's finally fall here in Korea. I'm about to get ready to go out with some friends. I've been loving this peachy fall look. It's also a great daily makeup look. So let's get started. So for the foundation, I'm using my DIOR Forever foundation. It has a matte finish with medium coverage. And I like to add another layer on areas where I want more coverage. Blending. Time for concealer. I love this applicator. There is no sponge at the tip, so I just dot it onto areas that I want to conceal. And I have to blend it as soon as I apply it, or else it dries up and it's hard to blend. I've also been loving this pressed powder foundation. It has a matte velvet finish with full coverage. It has this blurring effect to make my skin look flawless. So I'm just applying one layer on top. A great way to set my foundation as well. Time for brows. So today, instead of straight brows, I'm going to draw a more arched brow. So I'm going to do thicker in the front and then thinner on the ends. This will forever be my favorite brow pencil. Using this shimmery pink shade, applying on my lids as a primer. Using this peachy shade here and applying it on my lids. Blend, blend, blend. Work it up as you go. And then using a flatter brush, I'm just packing that color on. Now this light shade I'm just applying on my lower lash line. I've been loving this eyeshadow color, so pretty. So I'm just getting a very thin brush and then using this shadow kind of as an eyeliner and drawing it really thin and also winging it out upward. I like to use like a gel liner. Today I'm going to use a black color and just draw it right on top of the shadow. Curling my lashes. I've been loving this mascara. It gives so much length and volume to my short lashes. Applying 2 coats. Tight lining. I used to always skip this step, but now I always do it because it makes a huge difference, especially when you take photos. Using a black liquid liner, I'm getting into the areas that are hard to reach, like between the lashes. Now I'm getting a very thin brush and using a gel liner, I'm just extending my crease outward like this. This just makes my eyes look longer. Since I'm going out today, I'm going to wear some false lashes. These are full lashes, but I'm just going to trim them so that they're like half lashes because you guys know I love half lashes. And it's been like almost 2 years since I've last worn false lashes. Love these because it looks so natural. Using the brown shadow from earlier, I'm going to line my lower lash line. Make sure you do it really thin. And then I'm also going to grab this shimmery coral shade and apply it on the outer thirds. I'm going to do it right up to the wing. And then using this shadow, I'm going to place it right on top. Tight line. I'm going to line the inner corners right until halfway. Adding some mascara. Time for a blush. I recently got this. Such a pretty color for the fall. And applying it all on my cheeks. Contouring. I remember I used to love this palette. I don't know why I haven't been using it for so long. Lips, going for a coral shade, and I love all of Pony's matte lip colors. Extending it outward to make my lips look fuller. And right on top, I'm going to apply this shade. It's like a rosy color, and this is also a matte finish. Wiping some off. So here is the final look. Ready to go out to meet my friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to watch. Maybe another makeup tutorial, a K-pop inspired makeup tutorial, or a vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye! Hey guys, I'll be back in Dallas next week for the K-pop Together Festival, which will be held on October 26th and October 27th. It's going to be at the Louisville Music City Mall, so please come by and say hi if you guys are around. I can't believe it's already next weekend. There's only a few days left. It's going to be a fun event with K-pop idol groups, dance competitions, and Korean street foods. I will be there on October 26th, which is on a Saturday, and I'll be there to do makeup demonstrations and also a meetup. So please come by and say hi. Let me know in the comments if you will be coming by. Also, this event is sponsored by Louisville, Music City Mall, Shein, and American Airlines. Can't wait to see you guys there. Bye!